everyone and their family a happy Thanksgiving. We're about to celebrate as a team together, as a team family, but we couldn't do anything without our amazing client family. And this Thanksgiving, we are so thankful for over 500 families that we've been able to help buy and sell real estate this year, close to 600. But we're so thankful for each of you for your trust in us, and we're also thankful for all of our many past client families as well. And we just wish you an amazing Thanksgiving and hope you have an awesome time with your family. Thank you.